Hello, this is Hector Villatoro. No, just wanted to introduce one more time. In this video, we want to talk about the importance of getting pre-approved whenever you want to buy a home. The process of buying a home is a crucial process, a very important process. Obviously, I always tell my home buyers the first step is getting pre-approved. And I want you to understand it. I want you to know that what exactly we're talking about when we are talking about pre-approval. And let's get to it. As I say, my name is Hector Villatoro. I'm the owner of RV Realty. We will discussing how to get the importance of getting pre-approval. What is a pre-approval? Pre-approval is a process. Mortgage pre-approval is an assessment. They're going to check your history. They're going to check your taxes. They're going to check your credit score. The loan officer will check your job history. All just to make sure, because the thing is that you wanted to have every base covered before you start getting into the buying process. Pre-approval is normally valid for 30 days, 60 to 90 days. In that time frame, you can look to buy a house or at least get into it. However, to get it pre-approved, you need to provide, like I said before, you need to provide a lender with income, with credit score. We'll also ask for all document to determine that you are able to afford, or what can you afford to buy. In other words, the loan officer will take in consideration your income, your debt to income level, your credit score, your job history. At least remember that you need to have history for at least 2 years, and you need to have a decent credit score, especially as you go conventional. Keep in mind also, if your credit score is higher, the better. You might be able to get a good, really better interest rate, or because you have better credit score. So that's basically what we're looking for. Why is important? Why this can be important? Of course, many things that come to my mind is important is that, number one, you know how much you can afford. Number two, whenever you present an offer, and many homeowners tell me when I put a house on the market, tell me, do not bring me somebody that's not qualified. So what I mean is that a lot of our homeowners will ask for a pre-approval. If they don't have it, if you don't have it, you're probably not going to be able to see many homes. Also, when you have a pre-approval, number one, you know what you're looking for. For example, if the pre-approval say $500,000, you could be looking for on that price range, 500, 520, 490, somewhere around there. But if you have no pre-approval, number one, a professional agent will not take you out, will not take you serious if you don't get pre-approval. The other thing is that you have better possibilities of getting pre-approved. Accept the offer. If you bring the pre-approval to the table, you'll be able to be more serious about it. Also, when you have a pre-approval, it's not total guarantee that the bank is gonna give you the loan, but you have 50 or 60, you have a highest possibility that you're gonna get approved. So the process is gonna be a lot easier. In conclusion, when you're looking for a pre-approval, a mortgage pre-approval is the first step when buying a home. You need to remind yourself that it's like playing baseball. That's the first base. That's the first part that you need to go through. And you have to understand that. You have to understand the process, the budget, how much you can afford, all the paperwork that you need to go. And remember, always use a good loan officer, a professional loan officer, and always a professional real estate agent. And always repeat myself, if you are thinking of doing something and I don't cover everything that you might want, or you have any additional question, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer in person for you, and also have a really strong team with me that will be able to make it happen. And keep in mind, if you know anyone who needs to sell or buy a home, please refer them to us, come to us, or connect with us. I'll be happy to help you. My name is Hector Villatoro. My number is 631-617-5135. Thank you very much.